Today we're going to take a look at the 2026 Tiffin Midas. I think you're going to like this floor plan, and it's full body paint. The Tiffin Midas is built on a fantastic chassis. This is the Ford Transit all-wheel drive platform. EcoBoost twin turbo engine. Full body paint on this coach. Great storage compartments down below. Girard awning, LED light. Guys, this coach, for the money, we just got a massive price reduction. This is a Truma AquaGo system with a recirculator pump, so when you turn on the hot water, it is hot right away. Wonderful coach. Of course, Tiffin build quality. And down the driver's side, love the waterfall windows where the hinge is at the top. Here's where your potable water goes. Gray and black tank dumps, 30 amp service in. Look at how deep the slide is, guys. Super deep slide out, waterfall windows. We've got this one plugged in. We're gonna take a little peek inside. I really like how they did this with Ford. And this is gasoline only, this is not diesel. So Transit EcoBoost engine, twin turbo. Love the liquid crystal dash. Very nice. A large Tesla-like screen that does have a plastic protector on the front of it. We will be removing that. And the oversized bottom mirror. This is your friend in RVs, guys. This one here is to look at the cops that are way behind you half a mile with their lights on. This one here is to see if a motorcycle guy is hanging out in your blind spot right here. Again, by Xeon headlamps. They're HID, projector style. Parking sensors across the back. Again, Tiffin quality through and through. Full body paint. No crazy decals running down the side. Just a very, very clean look. And of course, the Tiffin emblem roughing it smoothly. Let's go inside and take a peek. Power step. Right away, I notice we've got a compartment here for batteries. Here's our main battery disconnect. Here's how you can turn the step on and off. Really, really quite nice. Now remember, the Ford Transit chassis, large Tesla-like screen. Both seats will swivel just like this. And above, we have storage up in here, not a sleeping area. So great storage. Girard awning, typical how they run that. And over here is where you would turn your porch light on, your awning light, and your cargo lights. So in your cargo compartments down below. So now I've got my LED light on, outside light. Of course, this is the party side, and the business side is the other side where the gray and black water are. Okay, here's the home screen. At a glance, I can see that my battery's great. This is not correct, obviously. This is a brand new unit, so we have not done a PDI, so it is registering that there's some stuff in the black and gray tank. That is not the case. Tank heaters. You can turn your tank heaters on and off. Water heater. Water heater for electricity. Water heater for gas. So you've got one or the other, or both. And of course, the water pump. Here's our lighting page. Anytime you see an up and down arrow, those are dimmable lights. So you can press and hold, bring this here, and you can then reduce your lighting wherever you like. So if it's anniversary weekend, 50% maximum. Master light off, master light on. Here's your slide out operation. And I like how Tiffin has incorporated their slide information here. So the ignition is currently not on. So if I turned the ignition to the on position, I would have 2 green lights. These buttons will light up and I will be able to function the slide. Here's how you run your vents and your TV lift. Remember, this is on a televator. And that TV does go down, exposing the window. So if you're not watching the TV, it can disappear. And you've got a nice little top right there. TV's completely gone. There you go. Okay, here we go. You can adjust the brightness of the screen settings. You can do a system update, wireless settings. Those are, when I say wireless settings, those are connections to other switches in the coach via Bluetooth. Diagnostics, you can put it in diagnostics mode. If anything were wrong here, instead of a nice little blue dot, you would have a red dot. Everything's blue, no faults. So if there were any faults, it would be recorded right there. And of course, then we have a mobile app. You download the VegaTouch Mira app from the Google or Play Store, depending on what you have. We would get you the Mira ID and the Mira PIN number, and now your phone will connect to this using your telephone. Okay, again, here is your couch lagoon settings on each side. So there's a lagoon table. This is your Murphy bed, so these two cushions come away. This comes out and stands up. The bed comes down over top of the couch, and that's your sleeping area. High energy exhaust fan, ball bearing, very, very quiet. Love all of the real wood that they use in the Midas. This is, again, all real wood. Here's your books. Here's your Truma control. This is going to be your antenna for your high definition TV. And I love that they use double metal hinges throughout. Induction cooktop. Love the residential style faucets. You got a couple buttons to change. Nice little venting, and again, I like the waterfall windows. So if it's raining outside, the hinges at the top, the water hits the window and just goes down to the ground, doesn't run down the coach. Really a nice coach. God, I think we're down to 6 or 7 of these, and with the recent price reduction, they should go fairly quick. Now, I'm going to turn around. Look at the storage here. And that price is not active right now. We've got actually a better price on it. Really nice inside. Pantry. Boy, this really looks like a leisure travel the way this back bathroom is set up, guys. Almost a twin to a leisure travel. Yep, really quite nice. I like the extra storage back in here, and that is so darn deep. And you've got access down below from here. And then I believe in this large closet, you've also got more access down below. Anyway, there you have it. That is the Tiffin Midas. Wonderful coach for the money. And by the way, reach out to me. We just got a huge price reduction on this coach. It was $114,998, marked down from $187. Was $114,900 on the windshield, $109. This is a full featured coach by Tiffin Motorhomes, full body paint. Ford Transit all-wheel drive platform. Murphy bed down. Guys, this is an awesome coach. Still gives you plenty of walking space here. I don't know if any of you have ever been in a leisure travel van. That bed comes all the way out to here. I'm not here to knock leisure travel vans, but gosh darn, for the money, half the price. Guys, this is a fantastic purchase. Great unit. Put the televator TV back up. Okay, here I have got the awning out. Of course, the LED strip underneath. Patio light. Guys, this is full body paint. This is not a decal coach. This is made by Tiffin Motorhomes. They have real cherry wood on the inside. Tons of storage compartments outside. It's a wonderful coach for the price point. It's on the Ford Transit chassis, all-wheel drive platform, EcoBoost engine, twin turbo. We just got current pricing from Tiffin Motorhomes. I work in the internet sales department. If you would like to have a personal FaceTime or would like me to make you a personal tour of a Tiffin Midas, feel free to reach out to me. My name's Carl Gwynn. I work in the internet sales team. I know Bob and Judy Tiffin personally. I know their build quality. Reach out to me. This is an awesome coach. We'll talk to you soon.